Hi, this is a video to show you the correct method to use a shower chair. First of all, okay, shower chair, okay, that is armrest, flip up, and leg rest detachable one, right? It's better for you to go in from the side way, okay? Because for example, if there's a bed here or a toilet bowl seat, you can just slide in from the side for safety, rather than go one round for the front. Okay. Second, there's a safety belt. So please always put on the safety belt. Okay, and next, when you want to push the shower chair, okay, it is better to pull rather than push. The reason is the momentum of pushing, if suddenly the assistant come to a emergency brake, okay, they might slide. But if you pull, assistant come to emergency brake, at least the user will be leaning backwards and lean against the backrest. Okay, and if you are applying the brakes, once the brake is applied, please do not push the shower chair. This is important. If the brake is being applied and you push the shower chair, right, okay, it will damage the tires very easily. The reason is because, for example, if you are driving and you pull on the handbrake, okay, when you pull on the handbrake, imagine you step on the accelerator and forcing the car to move. So the most common problem why the legs of the forelegs always damaged is because when the brake is being applied, okay, make sure the legs of the user is placing on top of the foot pad. Okay, because some of the user, when the brake is being applied, their legs like to put down and they like to push themselves forward and backwards. This will damage the brakes, not only for our shower chair. All the shower chair in the world have these challenges. Shower chair, aluminium, full aluminium body, it will not be rusty. Okay, but not every part can be used of aluminium. Some of the parts still must be made of steel because aluminium is softer material and steel is a stronger material. Every part is made of aluminium, the whole chair will collapse one. For example, the screws, the nuts must be made of steel because of its strength, of its toughness. Okay, so whenever after you use a shower chair, okay, try your best to dry it. If not, bring it out of the toilet. Singapore is a very humid country, okay, surrounded by sea, okay, and usually the shower chair wear and tear will be much faster compared to other dry countries like Japan, Taiwan, even China, and a lot of European countries. Okay, so make sure you bring it out of the toilet. It's much better it's going to last longer, much longer, okay, because inside there's some steel part to keep the shower chair strong. Okay, and if you put it in the toilet, the humidity in the toilet is a few times much more than the room temperature, than the room humidity outside. So just bring it out, air dry it, it's good enough. Okay, and usually the bucket, right? There's a bucket. You can use a plastic bag to put over it. So whenever to keep hygiene after they finish the business, just throw away the plastic bag. Okay. Okay. Then I think that's about it. Thank you.